What? What did you act?
The following is a flash flood warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning.
What did you activate for?
In north central Illinois until 1:15 a.m.
Flash flood statement.
Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the
How much worse can the reception get?
Rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 2 to 4 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding. Source, radar. Intact, rapid onset flooding of creeks, streams, drainage ditches, streets, underpasses, low-lying areas, and other poor drainage areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Rochelle, Davis Junction, Hillcrest, Lindenwood, Monroe Center, Kings, and Chena. A flash flood warning means rapid onset flooding is imminent or may already be occurring. Persons along creeks, drainage ditches.
Dude, the reception is terrible.
Precautions to protect life and property. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. This is No Weather Radio, KZZ55 Dixon. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur.
Okay, so random flash flood warning. Let's take a look at everything. So, CL100 activated as normal. EH55 activated as normal. Recom activated. Zone Guard activated. This activated under 1050. But this thing, flash flood statement? Where did you get flash flood statement from? Also, I missed a severe warning earlier. Not sure why it isn't showing up in my history, but okay.
Yeah.
And this thing, unrecognized? What? How do you manage that? So, 2 fails. We almost went 7 for 7, but no, my Midland radios in the middle had to fail. Oh my God. What a joke. Ever since I moved down here, the reception has just been dog crap. I have to fix it, but I don't know how. Do I move my radios over here where the reception's better? What do I do? You guys tell me in the comments. How do I fix this?